Hello guys, in this question we have to find out consumer surplus for this demand function P is equal to 1 by 4 q raised to power minus half. So how to find out consumer surplus? Let's see, first of all the formula to find out consumer surplus for this type of demand function is basically we do integration from 0 to 25, as they are saying q is equal to 25. We have to add all the consumers marginal willingness to pay, and that can be done using this integration. So we write the demand function here, 1 by 4 q raised to power minus half. We integrate it with respect to q, and we subtract the amount consumer actually pays, which is the total expenditure. This term, this first term, this is total utility, or you can say consumers willingness to pay. This is total willingness to pay, basically willingness to pay, and this term is what consumer actually pays. Okay, so how to get this total expenditure? This is very simple. First you put q is equal to 25, this value, into this demand function. What do we get? P is equal to 1 by 4 25 raised to power minus half. That means this is 1 by 4 1 upon root 25. This gives us 1 by 20, and this is price. And first we multiply price with quantity, which is 25. So what do we get? This is basically 1.25. If we solve it, this is 5 fours are 5 fives are, and this is basically 1.25. So we have to subtract this 1.25 from this total utility. So how to integrate this term? For integration, this is q raised to power minus half. So the integration of x raised to power n is basically x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And if we have limit here, so we put limit also 0 to 25. So how do we apply this limit? First we put 25 for x, and then we subtract the whole term using x is equal to 0, so which is irrelevant basically. So first we do this integration of this demand function from 0 to 25, which is 1 by 4 q raised to power minus half. We have to integrate with respect to q. This will be basically 1 by 4 as it is, because it is a constant term. Q raised to power, it will be minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. This will give us sorry, and we have to apply, put the limit also 0 to 25. So this will be 1 by 4 q raised to power half whole divided by 1 by 2. We can solve this. This 4 will be cancelled by 2. We get 2 here, and the limit is basically 0 to 25. So the answer we get 1 by 2. First we put 25 for q, and then we put 0. This is basically now root 25. So it will give us 5 by 2, which is 2.5. I put this 2.5 here, this CS will become 2.5 minus 1.25, which is 1.25. So B is the correct answer. This second is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any query, please email me or comment me in the comment box. And please do subscribe my channel for getting notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you very much guys for watching.